Hey everyone, it's time to play Canada's favorite game show. What the heck is going on in the market in one word? Oh, we'll give you 2 words or less.
Hot and cold.
Hot and cold. Okay.
Overpriced, and the office market is dead.
Right. Samie, of course, looking at the commercial market.
Yeah.
I'm looking at residential.
I would say, and I'm sticking to one word by the way.
Okay.
I would say fragmented.
Okay. That's a good way to put it.
Why?
Because properties that are ready to sell, like that are good to go, are selling, and sometimes with offer nights. Everything else is languishing.
Yeah. Samie.
Yeah, I think people, well, we'll have to break it down. I mean, industrial market, people are still pricing their properties at pre-pandemic levels. It's not there anymore. The commercial office space market, as you know, everyone's working from home now. That's going to take a big hit. We're going to see some bankruptcies coming down the line on that one.
Okay. I'll give you the real answer. The real answer is fragmented, and I'll tell you why. The market is different in every different part of the city.
Yeah.
So that's what the numbers tell us. I've been following up with a number of the top brokers in the city, and we're all scratching our heads as to what's going on, because you'll see, oh, here's a deal over here.
Yeah.
And they're actually finding some really good deals. If there's sort of cosmetically distressed properties out there that we like to look at, we're finding some good deals.
Or the property we got, it was a beautiful detached house, beautifully done on the inside. Just had a business beside it.
Right.
Had a big fence, but that was keeping buyers away. So we got it for under $1 million, which doesn't happen in that neighborhood.
Right. So best advice, if you are a buyer, what would you say right now?
I'd say get out there, make offers, make conditional offers, right?
I think
Do
there's
a home
deals out there.
inspection.
There's deals out
there are
there.
tons of
There's
deals
deals out there,
Yeah.
but
Tons
there's
of
also multiple offers that are real.
Yeah.
Okay. If you're a seller, what do you tell me?
You got to get your house. You got to put your house in shape, right?
100%.
You got to paint. You got to stage. You got to do all the things we do to make it move in, right?
100%. And of course, you got to work with a realtor that can do it with you for you.
Yeah.
Yep.
Exactly.
Okay. Same thing with you, Samie.
Yeah.
If you are on the buy side, what would you be telling people?
Well, look, I mean, the agents are coming around now. They realize that they can't go on a 3.5% cap rate. It's just ridiculous.
Right.
And so
Expectations need to change.
Yeah, expectations need to change, and some agents are changing and realizing those cap rates have to go up, and there are deals out there for that. So you got to just search, and you'll find six.
Right,
I just found one at 8% cap rate.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah,
That's
it's
fantastic. I think Paul and I, we were talking about the same thing on the smaller investment property side. The expectations of sellers are kind of what they were when mortgage rates were 2%.
Yeah.
And so there's adjustment going on. What would you say to a seller right now?
To the seller, I would tell them that you got to lower your expectations on what you think you can get for that property.
Right. At the end of the day, an investment property is only worth what it generates.
Exactly.
Right? And
Yeah.
by the way, that's a good thing sometimes on an in-between, because Paul, you're looking at a property. There is an opportunity to maybe buy an investment property and use it as a residential, and you, over the long run, you could actually make a lot of
Or
money.
the one we were looking at, live in the top 2 floors
Well,
for now.
that's what I meant.
Till you
Yeah.
build up some cash.
Exactly.
Have it pay for itself, but you're paying below what someone would pay for a
Exactly.
fixed up
Investment
residence.
properties now are worth less than a residential property. So there may be an opportunity for a window of people who want to build equity. Okay, next question.
Next question.
What have we found has happened to the market since rates have been adjusted by a quarter point? Because we had our thoughts on what would happen. Everybody on the sideline would jump in. Has that happened, Paul?
Not really. No. Yeah.
It's weird, huh?
It's weird. Yeah.
No.
I mean, I think it's partially the summer, right? It's everyone's kind of taking a break, which is usual, right?
Yeah.
That's normal.
Yeah.
Personally, I think if we see a couple more rate declines by the fall market, I don't know. I guess
Same for you.
Okay.
Yeah, they're not
It's not enough in adjustment.
Not
maybe.
enough adjustment. People are realizing they got to come down, and the problem is that prior to the pandemic, the huge rise in the real estate market, everyone thinks that they can double and triple their money.
Yeah.
In such a short period of time. I mean,
Yes.
the stock market doesn't double for at least 7 years, and everyone wants to double in 4.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, so I think there's changing expectations, but to your point, Paul, it's almost like we're going back to maybe pre-COVID times where summer, people actually enjoyed summer. They didn't talk about real estate at every barbecue that we went to. Maybe we're actually normalizing again back to, so there's a lot of maybe societal factors involved as well. I'm hoping that in a way, selfish way, because we had some crazy summers during COVID and what have you, were working and couldn't really enjoy the summer.
Yeah.
So maybe we're getting back to a normal life.
Yeah,
again,
hopefully
so that
it's
would be great.
normalizing. Hopefully the
Well,
market's normalizing.
I mean, let's be clear. The difference between residential is it's all about buyer sentiment, right?
Yes.
So when buyer sentiment changes, we'll see a pickup in the market, right?
Yeah.
For commercial, it's really about return and
Return
cost
on
of capital.
investment,
Yep.
That's a longer term thing, right?
Yeah, and what your alternative investments can return you
Yeah.
if the real estate commercial is not doing that.
Yeah.
So we've got the commercial, we've got the residential, and we've got a bit of crossover where residential can benefit from maybe some of the issues you have in commercial right now.
Totally.
Okay.
Hope you found that hugely helpful.
It's a beautiful
Please
day.
smash that
Beautiful
subscribe
day.
button. It is a beautiful day.
Yeah.
If you have any questions, here's an email, info@thinkkeo.ca.
Enjoy your summer.
Enjoy your summer.
Yeah.